The garden beds have been put to bed. The tunnels have been put up. We did a lot of work in July, August, a little bit in October, and now it is time to reap the harvest of our bounty. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Doug the Croc Gunner here. I hope everybody's going to have a happy Thanksgiving. I know this video is going to come out just a day before Thanksgiving, but I thought I would go through and tell you what I am going to have on my table for Thanksgiving dinner that I grew in my garden. As you can see, I got quite a plethora of stuff here. I do have a lot of people that wish they could see what we use and how we use it. This video is going to be showing you basically what I'm using in the garden. So I know a lot of people are going to the grocery stores this week, and they're going to stock up on green beans, onions, different spices, sweet potatoes, all that. We are still probably going to have to go to the grocery store. We're not totally self-sufficient here, but we do have a lot of stuff here that we can use from our garden that we don't have to worry about. Let's go over a few of the things that we're going to use. Let's start off with the green beans. If you guys remember my green bean canning video that we had, we're definitely going to have green beans at the table. Usually we do what we call a green bean casserole. Has green beans in it with some cream of mushroom soup mixed in, and then some French fried onions on top. Oh man, that is a classic, let me tell you. The next thing that we have here are our onions. These onions this is the best onion harvest I've had this year. We will definitely use these onions some way, some fashion in our cooking. Matter of fact, the onions and the garlic that you see right here, that is a staple in our household. We love our onions, we love our garlic. And you notice too, tell this, difference from the grocery store, look at that dirt on there. I tell you what, that tells you that these are homegrown and these are gonna be fantastic. They're gonna have a whole different taste. Don't let a little dirt scare you. Potatoes are another one. Definitely gonna have mashed potatoes. We'll probably have some homemade mashed potatoes. Take that dirt, just wipe it off. It's really simple. One of the best things we do like for Thanksgiving are our sweet potatoes. This year we're gonna make a sweet potato casserole. Basically it's gonna be sweet potatoes, butter, and my mouth's watering talking about this. Sweet potatoes, butter, we'll have some type of crust on top of it, maybe some marshmallows melted on top, but these things are phenomenal. We're gonna have enough. Matter of fact, I got one downstairs that I named Thanksgiving, and I think that's gonna make a whole casserole by itself. The next thing we have here are our spices. This is Egyptian walking onion powder, and let me tell you what, we use this quite a bit in everything that we make. We use that, put it on meats. I'll put it every once in a while. You might put it into the mashed potatoes, for example, different things like that. So this is a secret in my household in my cooking. Oh, and I about forgot. Kid Croc will somehow, some way, sneak his Kid Croc's favorite ketchup in there. His homemade ketchup. I don't know if he'll dip it in the turkey or what, but somehow, some way, he has to have a little bit of ketchup in his meal. I'll tell you what, if his name wasn't Kid Croc, it would be Ketchup. So as you can see, we do have a bounty of harvest here that we will use for our Thanksgiving meal. It's going to be fantastic, let me tell you. The question I have for you guys out there is going to be, what have you harvested that you're going to use for your Thanksgiving meal? What came from your garden and is going to your plate this year? Leave me a comment down below. So not only is Thanksgiving a time for food and fellowship and everything else, it's also a time to be thankful. And then when they made this holiday up, that is what the whole part of the holiday is supposed to be. The meaning of Thanksgiving is to be thankful and cheerful for your harvest, thankful and cheerful for things in your life. And I will tell you, I am thankful for all my subscribers out there, everybody that watches those videos, everybody that makes comments on my videos. I'm very thankful for you guys. I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for this great country we live in. If we didn't live in such a great country, there's no way I'd be able to go in my backyard and square off a little plot of land, plant a seed, and watch things grow. There's also no way I'd be able to go on YouTube and make a video like this if we didn't have such a great country. Also, I am thankful for the fact that you can take a little seed, go in the backyard, plant it, and then watch things grow. It's a miracle in itself that stuff happens. So I'm thankful for our God and our Creator that we can do that. So before I sign off here, I want to thank everybody that has given me a thumbs up, anybody that's subscribed to the channel, anybody that's made a comment, whether you're here in Central Illinois watching me or you're halfway across the world. I know I got some people in Australia. I definitely know I got one fan up in Canada. Cheers, Wendy. So I'm very, very thankful for each and one of you guys. Please, if you're watching this video for the first time, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, stop by in the comment section, and just simply say hi. I promise I'll reply back. Cheers, everybody, and God bless. Happy Thanksgiving.